Hey guys, hello. On my channel, that Gamer Boy YT. So make sure to subscribe to that channel.
Anyways,
Thank you. Hey guys, see you. Sorry for body game.
I'm gonna be streaming some Minecraft. You can watch me live.
Yay! I'm watching the live right now. Yeah.
Like
Live.
really, bro.
I think kidding, you're not live. Sorry guys. You can do a premiere though, anyways.
I know my other video was live. I just did a live video not too long ago. Bro. You know what? You know what we should do, guys? We should probably find a villager because I put this crap on hard mode. So, ooh, 2 sheep, 3 sheep. That's a
Good, you can get a bed.
I just found an easy bed resources. Easy bed resources, bro. That sheep didn't give me any loot. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess I'm heading in for the 3rd sheep then. Get over, boy. What are you doing, boy? Gotti. Get over, boy. What you doing, boy? Oh, what the heck? Bro. I'll put that somewhere in there. I don't want to dig shit. Alright, for real, I need to get some trees and stuff, though. I have enough food. I know I have enough food to last the game. To last a little bit of the game.
Yay.
I don't have full materials yet. But don't worry. I will. Let's just get some wood. Just ignore oh yeah, watch me live on Twitch. I feel like, oh no. I'm just gonna leave that dog alone. But, kill this pig. Oh, please, may I help myself to some pork chop? Hope that dog's not mad at me. If it is, oh well. Here's my plan. I'm gonna craft some oak wood. Then I'm gonna craft a crafting table. Then I'm gonna put down the crafting table. Craft some sticks.
Aiden, you just fine.
What do I need? Dang, I'm gonna craft.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Okay.
Got that in. 50 on the champer. Excuse me. On my channel, I should stream from bro. I should be the one streaming from Fortnite. I should be the one streaming Fortnite right now. Bro, I swear. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm surrounded. I'm just gonna.
They might not hear you. I did choose it.
I did. Whoa.
You better not choose the computer audio because
I did the Billy Bop spin, boy. I guess that's the easy pickaxe. You never know. Eric's gonna mine me some stones from over there.
Hey guys,
My friend's doing a video in the same freaking lobby. Maybe you should switch lobbies because I'm using this lobby to record, so. I'm gonna plant this oak sapling right there. What the? Right there. Oh, gosh. So much wood. Alright. There it is. What the F? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Where'd that cave go? Oh. I was like, where'd that cave go, boy? Thanks for the raw mud, bro. Thanks for the raw mud, dude. I appreciate it.
Oh, I'm really.
Oh. This is how it is for you. All you need is stick on here. We could like do 12. That's like probably enough to get like, I don't know, like at least can get me 1 times 64. Come on, just do it. Do it for my family. For me, family.
Boy.
Dang. No, that's okay. That's okay. We have 49. Okay, we tried. We tried. We tried, boys and girls. Most important that we tried. Oh, my mouse is glitching, bro. What is this? I'm getting me some cobblestone now. Oh my gosh.
Just a quick disclaimer, do not try this at home unless you...
By the way, I put this in hard mode, so this is gonna be pretty rare. Alright, 1 more cobblestone, and I'm out of here.
Just a quick disclaimer, do not try this at home unless you have asked your parents first.
Wait, what?
Hey everyone, it's...
What are my controls?
Hey everyone, it's Sweet Tunes.
Again,
Here with Movie 2. Hey everyone, it's Sweet Tunes. Hey everyone, it's... Hey everyone, it's...
Bro.
Hey everyone, it's Sweet Tunes. Hey everyone, it's Sweet Tunes. I'm here with Wolfie 2.
I keep on. Bro. F2. F2. I'm a ocelot, boys and girls.
Island, maybe. Then you'll see that we can do.
Ah! Alright, let's do this. What the heck? No, it's impossible, bro. Alright, for real. Can I craft some sticks? Some sticks. Bro. And craft me a stone pickaxe. Stone sword. Put the dirty wood away. Something to wear it out. It's nighttime, bro. I thought I was gonna get easy bed materials, but oh my gosh. Our first mob battle.
shape mark. Oh, not anymore. What about you? Oh. Okay. Oh, not anymore. What about you? Oh.
I don't have a bed, so
Does that like shape
this is
mark?
how survive for the night.
Oh.
So,
Is that like shape
while that's
mark?
happening,
What about you?
I'm gonna read the chat. The Dark Voyager 05. Thanks. Um, Justin 01. Thanks for
She was actually
that.
pretty scared that her voice would.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, thanks for the 2 new subs.
This was her first time.
Guys, I'm just gonna end the video here and do a part 2. So love you guys.